Welcome to this new tutorial. Today we will learn how to create shapefiles in the three most used GIS softwares, so QGIS, Arcmap and ArcGIS Pro. So, to create a shapefile in QGIS you go to Layer, then you click here on Create Layer and then New Shapefile Layer. Okay. Then you click on the three dots to save on a predefined folder. So I will create a new one right here in my desktop and I will give it the name of Shapefiles. Okay, then as you can see here has three shapefiles, so you click on save and you can give it a name right here. So for that I will call it shapefile underscore QGIS and click save. Here you can set this a default, so UTF-8. Geometry type, so you can choose from point, multi-point, line string or polygon. For this example I will choose point. Then you define the coordinate system, so in this case I will set this as default as well. And then here you can create fields for your shapefiles. So in this case I will not do this. So you click on OK and you have right here your shapefile. So if you now want to edit and create some points, since this is a point shapefile, you create right here to edit, and then you can start editing points. So you click here and you can start creating points. Okay, so right here. Okay, so this is the way you create a shapefile in QGIS. Okay, now if you want to create a shapefile in Arcmap, you just go to Windows, right here, click on Search, and right here you type Create Feature Class. Click on Enter, and click on the first one. So, as I did in the QGIS, you click here to save it. So I will save on the same folder, so shapefiles, head. I will give a name right here. So in this case shapefiles, but this time Arcmap. And here you can choose again the type of geometry you want. So for QGIS I chose points. Yeah, I'm going to choose polygon in this one. Okay, now this stays the same. Coordinate system, you can click here. So for example, the one I chose in the QGIS was WGS, so you can search for it right here. Oh, here, right here. Yeah, and you choose right here. And then after you choose your coordinate system, you create OK. Then you wait a little bit, and here we have our shapefile. If you want to start creating some polygons, you need to go here on editor. If you don't have this right here, you click on the right button right here, and you need to have the editor with a check mark. Okay, so then you go to editor, start editing. Okay, then you click right here on create features, click on your shapefile, and then you have on the bottom some construction tools you can use. So for example right here. Then after you create your shapes, you need to go here and always save. If you stop editing without saving, the draws will be deleted. So as you can see, if I click stop editing right here, he asked me if I want to save. So if I said yes, the shapes will stay. If I say no, those shapes will be deleted. So I will click no, so you can see, and always you need to save. And that's how you create a shapefile in Arcmap. So If you want to create a shapefile in ArcGIS Pro, you go to Analysis, click right here on this arrow, and then click on More Tools. Then you type Create Feature Class as well. Then click here. Here you choose the feature class location. Again, I will save it on the folder I created earlier. So in my desktop, right here, the feature class name will be Shapefiles, but this time ArcGIS Pro. Geometry type, for this time I will choose polyline. Then coordinate system, you can choose right here the coordinate system, and then you click on Run. Again, after you create your shapefiles, you can now start drawing some lines. Here on ArcGIS Pro, you don't need to start an edition, so you can edit right away. So you just go here, create, click here, and you start drawing. Okay, and that's how you create a shapefile in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to learn next.